Hello. And that's right, welcome to another Power Packed Phillips podcast. You know the routine, and if you don't, shame on you. Grab your spiral that you do your math notes in and a pencil, and away we go. Alrighty guys, today we're going to be starting Chapter 2, Hip Hip Hooray! Chapter 2, Lesson 2.1. Please write in your notes. This will be set theory. And please write the vocabulary word union in your notes. Unfortunately, Caroline's feeling a little underneath the weather, so she couldn't make it for this podcast. But trust you me, this concept is going to be huge, huge for the game makers. When you go to the games next May. There is probably, I'd say, 4, 5, maybe even 6 questions on set theory, union. So we're going to spend the next couple days working on it. So pay close attention. I'm going to ask that you draw the rectangle and the 2 ovals along with the letter A, the letter B, the letter U, and all the numbers. Basically, copy this picture into your notes, smart Alec. Copy this picture into your notes. All right, we got a lot of vocabulary words, so here we go. First vocabulary word that I would like you to jot down would be elements. Elements are numbers in a set. For example, right here we have the set A, and I'm really procrastinating until I find my highlighter. Ba-ding! Anything right here that I'm shading in yellow is considered set A. This is all set A. So these are the elements that belong in set A. Elements are numbers in a set. So, for my visual people, let's do this. I will put a red circle around the elements in set A. So you might want to write on your paper, the elements for set A are 2, 4, 6, and 8. Those are the elements. And when we're talking about set theory, we use braces on the outside of our elements. So we use braces on the outside of our elements. Okay, if you would, please write down the elements for set B. The elements for set B. Here's B. Anything in this highlighted area is going to be an element of set B. But Mr. Phillips, 2 is already an A. That's okay. Sometimes we can share an element. So I'm going to put the elements of set B in blue. And remember, it's okay to share. 2 belongs to set A and it belongs to set B. Remember, elements are the fancy word for the numbers in a set. And remember that we are going to use braces to show that 2, 3, 5, and 7 are elements or belong to set B. Speaking of B, BRB. Please make a note on your paper that a capital U, more specifically, a capital U that is italicized, stands for the universal set. A capital italicized U stands for the universal set. Well, that's nice, Mr. Phillips, but what is the universal set? The universal set simply refers to all of the numbers inside the box or rectangle. All of the numbers inside the box or rectangle belong to the universal set. So if I highlight all of this in yellow, Notice that 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 7, 5, and 9 are all inside this box or rectangle. So the universal set simply refers to all the elements. Nice vocab. The Bears! All the numbers or elements inside this box. So the universal set is going to include 1 and 9. It's going to include 1 and 9. And remember, we said that we are going to denote the elements with braces. The Bears! I'm going to ask that you write the vocabulary word union again in your spiral. That's going to be, you got it, huge. The game makers love to put questions regarding union during the EOC. So what is union? I'm glad you asked. Well, first of all, let's talk about the symbol for union. The symbol for union is, it looks like a U. That's really difficult because union starts with a U. You just need to be careful. This right here is the universal set. It's a capital U and it's italicized. Don't get these two confused. If you would, please write down that union simply means all of the numbers or elements in the given sets. All of the numbers or elements in the given sets. Alrighty, so let's work a problem. You should have the picture drawn already, and I would like you to write on your paper, find A union B. Please write on your paper, find A union B. Alright, so we got a lot going on here. We have the universal set is going to go from 1 to 9. All of the numbers inside this box belong to the universal set. They're telling you that set A is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. They're telling you that set B is going to be set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. We want to find the union. Remember that union is all of the numbers or elements in a given set. Now you need to be careful. 1 and 9 are not part of set A. 1 and 9 are not part of set B. They're there to trick you. 1 and 9 are not part of set A or B. 1 and 9 are part of the universal set. So remember, we had the elements, everything inside set A, as 2, 4, 6, 8. We had the elements for set B as everything right here inside of B, 2, 3, 5, and 7. If we want to find the union, that is all of the numbers. So let's take all of these elements or numbers. So we have a 2, and we have another 2. There's no reason to write it twice, nor is there a reason to do this, 22, because I do not see the number 22 up here in the box. Since they both share the element 2, since they both share the element 2, you only write it one time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Remember, we wanted the union. Basically, we wanted all the numbers that are part of set A and all the numbers that are part of set B. That's all there is to union. All the numbers that are part of both sets. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. There's my answer. The union is all of the numbers or elements in both sets. Remember, 1 and 9 are not in set A or B. All right, that wraps up another podcast. See ya.